Hi there, my name is Josh and welcome to my kitchen. I've got to tell you, around my house, we love steak. And I want to talk to you a little bit more about our amazing top sirloin steaks. To start, every order of steaks from Chicago Steak Company comes packaged in a reusable styrofoam cooler just like this, with plenty of dry ice to keep your steaks frozen during the shipping process. But let's take a look inside. You can see that these steaks come perfectly packaged in this beautiful black and gold gift box. Just seeing this box gets me excited. Let's take a look inside. Wow, look at these delicious steaks. It's important to note that each steak is individually vacuum sealed and they are uniquely registered specific to your order on your handy registration card. The top sirloin is a really popular cut of steak and are known for being one of the leanest cuts of steaks and one of the most health-conscious items to order. These steaks are aged up to 6 weeks, which allows the fibers in the beef to break down, resulting in a more tender and flavorful cut of steak. Aging is really important for that bold, beefy flavor. Now, a few things. They make a great health-conscious gift item, and they are artisan aged and hand cut. But take note, because of their leanness, they cook really fast. So make sure you keep a close eye on them when you're cooking. We know how important it is to have great steak, and we take a huge amount of care in your order right from the start. So make sure to head over to mychicagosteak.com to order your top sirloins today.